Well, hello guys, welcome back to Gaming on Scratch. So, what you're going to be learning today is whatever you want, to be honest. If you want to want me to make more videos, then you can leave it in the comments section, like suggestions. But, right now, I'm going to, I don't know if this is going to be a series. I am so bad at spelling. And yeah. So what you're gonna want to do first this is a video about the basics of clones and messages. So we're gonna make another sprite right now. It can honestly be anything. I just chose random which. So we're gonna first we're going to do messages. When this clicked, then you're going to put. There's two different ways to do this. So you can put forever if whatever key pressed, then broadcast message 1 and wait. You can also put, if you wanted it to be a little bit easier, when any key pressed, then. But the difference between this and this, this you can do it as many times as you want, and you can hold the button. So when key any press, that's what's supposed to happen. It broadcasts a message 1, and then this one is a little bit too complicated unless you want to make things move. So I'm gonna just stop talking and go when any key pressed, broadcast, I don't know, move, and you can make her do something. Oh wait, I'm on the scratch cat. So let's go switch costume to wait half a second. Actually, no, half a second. That's not even half of it. Okay, whatever. We'll just put that and put back to costume 1. And for some basic starts, then you can go. When started off, show, etc., etc. Well, if you haven't caught up as well, then you can write this down. I'll give you a second. I mean, you can always pause the video, so we're just going to go on to the next part. So, which is going to go when I receive move. Actually, let's change this up a bit. When this sprite clicked. So, yeah. Instead of just remove the top block and put sprite clicked, we're going to go when I receive move, then I guess we're going to take a repeat block, repeat 4, and go, I guess, move 10 steps. So she's going to move 40 steps this way. And for some basics, we're going to go watch. So as you can see, that's been working now. So which we're going to go just so you see when you're clicking on a sprite, then you see their X position and Y position. You're going to take this. It already has it pre-written in, and if it's not, you need to make sure the X and Y match up with this X and Y. And sprite click, show whatever. You're gonna want to do that with this too, with the scratch cat 141.6. It's pre-written down. That doesn't happen most times, but yeah. So now you can see our game works. And you can hold, no you can't, unless you did the thing I was talking about before. You put a forever block with an if block. Okay, well, let's just move on. So I'm going to keep this code here because why not? You don't have to keep it there. It's not really needed. So these 3 blocks can be very important for games like these and many other types of games. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go. This is all pretty basic, so it's not that hard to do. Let's go. So let's make sure we're on the which for this. We're going to go when this sprite clicked. Create clone of myself. You're going to want to go to control. And then, it'll be a second. When I started as a clone, I know, change X by 10, or move 10 steps, and set rotation style left, right. Move 10 steps. Or we can go, watch. So, this is working right now. Okay, that did not work. Let's go move 50 steps, see how that works. Okay, that still doesn't work. 100 steps is probably the best part. So just an infinite cloning game. And then I'm just going to delete all of this. And yeah. Boom, boom. But then, if you wanted to make music, then you could do this. Loops, and do anything. And mute button is fairly easy to make. I don't know, F is change volume by -100. And then you can always do this. Just forever loop of chill. And then F. And then we can make another button that, I don't know. G is G. You could also put set volume. Actually, no, that's you need to do that. Set volume 2. So that works. And he also chill sucks. So and then one last basic is Amon. Amon is bitmap. He's going to fly and going to, so he can follow your mouse pointer for point towards mouse pointer, then move as fast as you want him to go. Come on. Hey, man. Okay. And then you could put 1 step to make him extremely slow. He will never catch your mouse pointer. 90. Watch this. 90 steps. Insane. Okay, that's good.